In this video, we are going to talk about linear inequalities in one unknown. In the exam, you will see two inequalities given. So let's take the first one as the example. If it is smaller than a number, the arrow should be pointing to the left-hand side. On the other hand, if the inequality sign is greater than, then the arrow should be to the other side. Also be noted that the arrow should be extended infinitely, or we will be using the shading to show more clearly, so you can see that the shading extends infinitely until the end. So for the rest, we also draw it in the sketch as follow. For the other inequality in green color, we also do something the same. Here comes to the key part. When you see the word AND, then we are finding the overlapping area of the shadings. So for the first example, you can see that this part contains both the blue and the green color. It is starting from -4 and to the left hand side. We can write down x is smaller than -4. And then for the other one, you can see that the right part has both the shading. So it is starting from 3 and it is larger than 3. We write down x is larger than 3. And for the third one, it is a little bit special. You can see that it is bounded by both numbers. For this case, you can try to write down x at the middle, and then we copy the three numbers, -4, x, and 3, and then you input the inequality sign as shown. The last one is also a special case. You find that we do not find any overlapping area. Therefore, there is no real solution for this case. For this question, you may see the word OR, and then for the sketch, it is exactly the same, so we are not going through in details. Now we focus in the word OR. Instead of taking the overlapping area, we are taking all the shaded areas. So for the first example, you can see that the left-hand side has both shadings, and then the middle part only has the blue color. So we take all of them, and therefore it is starting from 3 and to the left-hand side. We can write down x is more than 3. Similarly, for the second case, this is all the shadings. So we can write down x is greater than -4. And then for the third one, a little bit special. You can see that for the left, the middle part, and the right hand side, all parts have shadings. Therefore, the result is all real numbers. The last one is also very special. You can see that we do not find any overlapping area, but both the blue and the green parts should be taken. Therefore, we simply copy from the inequalities from the step. That's it. Hope you liked the video. And then there are other forms that you may see in the exam. The first one is something you often see. You see the word AND. And then for the second one, you see two inequalities and with this open bracket. This open bracket actually means AND. So the first and the second one are actually the same. For the last one, you see two inequality signs in the inequality. And we can simply break it down into two inequalities as shown. And then the two inequalities are joined by AND. Therefore, all the three forms are actually the same. And then for the sign change, you need to know that for addition or subtraction of any number, it won't change the inequality sign. However, for this step, when we are moving the -2, we are actually divided it by -2 on both sides. Therefore, the inequality sign will be changed to the opposite side as shown. So x is more than -3/2. That's it. Hope you liked the video.